For each side of the rectangle, the cardboard is folded at two ends. So length of the cuboid is 40 minus 2x centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is 25 minus 2x centimeters, but height of the cuboid will be x centimeter. Use the formula L into B into H to find the volume of the cuboid. Substitute the value. D by dx of x power n is x power n minus 1. So derivative of x cube with respect to x is 3x squared. Derivative of x squared with respect to x is 2x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Differentiate again with respect to x. Take common factor out. To factorize dv by dx, we require two numbers whose product is 3 into 250, that is 750, and sum is minus 65. The numbers are minus 15 and minus 50. Split the middle term as minus 50x minus 15x. Take x common from the first two terms and minus 5 common from the last two terms. We get the factors x minus 5 and 3x minus 50. Equate dv by dx to 0. Solving, we get x equal to 50 by 3 or x equal to 5. If x equal to 50 by 3, then the breadth will be negative, so we reject x equal to 50 by 3. When x equal to 5, the second derivative will be minus 140, which is negative. So by second derivative test, we conclude x is equal to 5 gives a maximum value of v. To find the point of inflection, we equate the second derivative to 0. This gives x equal to 65 by 6. We have to check if the second derivative d square by dx square changes sign when x passes through this point. X is less than 65 by 6, the value of d square v by dx square is negative, and if x is greater than 65 by 6, the value of d square v by dx square is positive. So x equal to 65 by 6 gives a point of inflection.